guys, it is an Ayatollah from Audio Direct. I'm not even using the selfie camera. This car deserves to be in the spotlight. One absolutely stunning Maserati Grand Cabrio. I mean, this thing really does look as though it's doing 100 kilometers an hour, no matter even if it's standing still. And this particular one, you know, we just had it validated for the customer before we hand it back, and we don't really want to put the roof down, so it smears the glass. Yeah, kind of finicky like that, but suffice to say that when the owner gets received, he's going to be over the moon for one very simple reason. Not that he's driving this trident Italian supercar around, but man, tell me this thing would make you smile every single time you stepped into it, and we haven't even put the roof down. Jump into this stunning Maserati, and that's what you're now greeted with, the retrofit Android head unit. Absolutely superb, lightning quick machine, and it is a huge amount of work on these cars. Navigation, so you can set it, we've actually set it to Google, customer's request. It's not configured yet because obviously hotspot tethering, but all you've got to do is download Google Maps once, and then it's there. You can log off your phone, so you don't actually even need to use data, or we can download a third-party software for you like 𝗔𝗥, very popular here in the Middle East, and then you've got navigation on the go, car data, you know, lots of things being read off the ECU, all your mileage, speed, more car settings as well. You know, it's specifically designed for these Maseratis. It fits, of course, the GT and the Grand Cabrio as well. Bluetooth, connect your phone for voice calls as well as for music streaming as well. A beautiful bit of sun that we have here, so in case the reflections coming on there. Main interface will always take you back to the screen. Radio, we're not going to press that in case audio comes on. We don't want to infringe any copyright. Music, of course, this goes to, in fact, let me turn the volume down. This goes to your track list. So, for example, if you've got USB playing in there, you know, all your music will come on there as well. And as well as that, if we go back to local, SD card as well. Double click, you've got this floating button. Don't know if you can see it there. You can actually move it around anywhere on the screen, so it will always take you back to the main screen. And then app list, of course, because it's an Android machine, again, wary of the sun, trying to get the best possible angle for you so it's not reflective. Whatever you want is on there. So for example, HD video player, we got films happening right now on our USB thumb drive, which you can see there. And I think this is the way back with, I forgot his name now, but I mean, you can see the quality of the screen, absolutely beautiful. When you're sitting in a car and you're watching a film, obviously traffic and safety is paramount, so keep your eyes on the road, people, but it does really while away the hours. No matter where you're going, the journey just seems so much shorter. Beautiful, beautiful, mashallah, vehicle, this Grand Cabrio. We're absolutely proud to have been the guys chosen, selected to work on this thing, and the owner, I'm sure, will be just as proud as ever, if not more so, now that we've upgraded his Maserati Gran Turismo, courtesy of an Ayatollah and, of course, Audio Direct.